I just wrapped over a 1 hour live talking about the stock market, and a lot of people were saying, is now a good time to buy an S&P 500? Listen, an S&P 500 ETF is the kind of thing you would consider buying every single month for the next 30 years. So don't stress too much. Oh, a lot of people were saying, well, how low is it going to get? How bad is it going to get? Nobody knows. And if anyone is on this app telling you they know, they're lying to you. The best thing you can do as an investor is pay attention for days like this, like what we're seeing today. S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones, all down over 2%, 3%, 4% for the NASDAQ. This is an opportunity. You have to have that mindset, that investor mindset. You cannot look at this as, I know if you're a new investor, it's scary. But an experienced investor like myself looks at this and goes, what a deal. A new investor goes, what if this is the end? They say that during every recession, man. They say it during every recession. Is this the end? And then a couple months later, a year later, it's old news. I want to give you an analogy with the stock market. Let's say you go to the grocery store and you see a bag of Doritos, and you love Doritos. I'm a big Doritos guy. You see a bag of Doritos and it's full price. And you go, I really want them. So you put them in your cart. You go home. And then 2 days later, you're like, oh my God, I forgot milk. And you got to go back to the grocery store. And you go to the grocery store, and what do you see? Doritos, buy one, get one free. You're not going to go, oh my God, I bought them on my... You're going to say, wow, buy one, get one free. Yoink, and you're going to get 2 more bags. You have to have that same approach with high quality investments. Super speculative stuff, maybe you don't touch. But really high quality companies or high quality ETFs, the type that you would invest in every single month for the next 30 years, when you see a day like this, even if it's March 10th and you already did your investing for the month, you throw a little bit extra in. That's what I'm doing. Keyword, a little bit extra. This whole idea of like, should I wait for it to get worse? You don't know that it will. Well, how long is it going to last? You don't know. Nobody knows. So just a little bit at a time. And on days like this, a little bit more. The last thing you want to do is throw everything in, because if things get worse in a month or in a couple of weeks, you don't have any money left. On the other hand, you don't want to wait 3 or 4 months when things could improve in 2 or 3. On the other hand, things could get worse over the next 4 years. So the idea here is just slow and steady, remain consistent with what you're doing, don't panic, remain calm, and on big down days like today, consider adding a little bit more. I promise it's going to be okay. All right, hit the follow. Thanks for watching. See you later. I was just coming out to get something to drink because I'm losing my voice like RFK over here because I talked for an hour and a half. I went to get a drink and then I was like, oh, I forgot. I want to share one resource with you. It is totally free and it will help you as an investor. All you have to do is go right here. I know it's at the top of your screen, but you can find it. Click on the menu and you will find all of this right here. All of these resources are actually 100% free. There's no PayPal, there's no Venmo, there's no Patreon, there's no nothing. I'm not trying to sell you anything. It's all free. I really am here to help. If I wanted your money, I'd be selling something. I don't want your money. I want you to invest it. And all I ask in return for my humongous ego is that you hit that follow. All right, now I'm done. I'm going to get something to drink.